In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a CPAbuild account. So to start with, you first want to be on the CPAbuild website. So take a moment to pause the video if you need, just to write down this URL. And then once you got it, you should be on a page like this. So from here, we just want to look for register. And we can find that up here at the top with all these other options. So you want to go ahead and click on that. And then here's where we can actually register for an account. So you want to fill in your first name, your last name. You want to put in your main email address that you use for your business or whatever. You want to select a username. You have to create a password and then repeat the password. You must select a country from this drop-down list. You then want to put in your street address, your state, your city, and your postal code or your zip code. And then as you can see, most of these options have a red star next to them, which means you have to actually write in them, but some of these don't. So things like Skype ID you don't have to do. But where it says, where did you hear about us, you just want to put in where you actually heard about this company. So if you heard about it from a friend, for example, you'll just type in from a friend. Then you can also put in your current networks and your website if you want. However, if you don't want to or you don't have one, you don't need to. And then finally, you just need to put in your promotional methods and your traffic sources. So let them know what your traffic sources actually are. And then when you're done, you can select this I'm not a robot button. And then you also want to tick these 3 boxes, and you want to make sure these are right. And you want to make sure you do read it, because as you can see here, it says, I understand that by generating fraudulent leads or failing to comply with network traffic restrictions, I risk forfeiting my account. So make sure all these details are actually correct and valid. And then when you are ready, you can go ahead and select register. And then after that, your account will be created. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you now know how to create a CPAbuild account. If you do, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.